Hello, CGP here. Today I thought I would show you how to make your Java environment, your workspace basically. So you're probably here to see how you make plugins, something similar. Well, hopefully I will clarify enough for you to get yourself started. So I know this seems kinda obvious, but there is this one problem. Java now comes bundled with its own version of Java. This is good and bad. You might not realize that you don't have Java installed. And also, if you have Java installed, there is a big chance that you have the wrong Java installed due to your browser running in 32-bit. So to check what version, if you don't know if you have 64-bit or 32-bit PC, then you need to go here, go to this PC, System Properties, and you can see here 64-bit PC. You want to go to java.com. Again, I will leave every link in the description. If you have a problem finding it. Here you click on See All Java Downloads. Do not click this. Here if you have 64-bit PC, click this right here. If you have 32-bit, you can download this. But yes, you click here and you download it. You then install it, and that should be it. You should close anything Java related. If you have already installed 32-bit, go and uninstall that version before installing 64-bit. Next, you need Eclipse. Again, I will leave link in the description. You need to click on download right here and download Eclipse ID for Java developers. Again, 2-bit or 64-bit. I have 64-bit, so I'll download that. Click on download, and you will start downloading it. Now, this is not a it's not an installer. It's the raw files basically. It will look, if you unzip it, which you'll do afterwards, it'll look something like this. Actually, it will look exactly like this. So before starting it though, I should also like you to, assuming that you're here to make a plugin for Spigot or CraftBukkit, then you should probably need the latest version of Spigot. If you already have that, you can skip, but you should download the latest version of Spigot if you're gonna make a plugin, or generally if you're gonna run a server, okay, due to patches, update fixes, stability, whatever. I'm gonna click on downloads here and download BuildTools.jar and just download there. I already have it, and I put it inside a folder right here, BuildTools.jar. You should name it BuildTools.jar if it's not called that already. Let's say you download multiple times, but yeah, it should be very simple. You're gonna then need Git for Windows, assuming that you're doing this on Windows. If you are running this on another operating system, you should look into how to get Git to work on that operating system. Or you can of course download Spigot from another repository, but please do this way. You're gonna click on download, and it will just download the installer. What this will install is Git right here. I want you to run git bash. It looks very similar to CMD. In fact, it is command prompt. What you're gonna do is copy this. Whoops, ignore that, whatever that was. Sorry for that. There, copy that, and you're gonna run, well, type cd, quote, and that's right there. Now, you are gonna type java dash, well, dash jar BuildTools.jar, assuming that you want the latest version, which is at the moment 1.9, you'll do rev 1.9. Once you press enter, it will start building. The reason why this is the way it works now is due to Mojang's rule about not having the source code out on the public. That's where Bukkit kinda died last time. They got in trouble for that. But yeah, this is allowed due to your PC is actually building Spigot and CraftBukkit itself by downloading the source code from Git and patching it into the Minecraft server. So I've already done this, so this just I had so this would normally takes about 7 minutes, maybe. It takes some time. Yeah, I'm gonna stop that right there. But what you'll get is something like this. Once you're done. Now you can choose from using CraftBukkit or Spigot. I highly suggest you to use Spigot. I know a lot of people want you to use CraftBukkit, but Spigot have everything that CraftBukkit have, and a few things more. It also have patches and fixes and bug fixes and whatnot. So, you're gonna copy this into your server. You're gonna rename it whatever, very simple. And yeah, this is fresh. Nothing. You can also make yourself a workspace folder. This is for Eclipse. We will now show you how to use Eclipse and how to set up your workspace. Now, this is important. Do not drag this onto your desktop. If you want it on your desktop, you need to right click and create shortcut and drag that in the desktop, because this needs to be in this folder. Okay, so once you run it, you need to give the directory of, you know, where the workspace is. Just make a folder. It should be empty. It shouldn't be anything in there. If there is, there's, well, it will place new files there. So be careful. Okay. And this is Eclipse. Now we're gonna just go to those, and this is your working environment. Yes, that's basically how it's set up. There's one last thing. If you get any problems, something to do with Java Home, you need to do the followings. Go to this PC, System Properties, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables. Right here you click on New, and you're gonna type Java_home, and then branch directory to where Java is installed. If you have 32-bit, it should be the program files, and then Java, and then the latest version of Java. Then sure, this thing right here, and click on OK. So yeah, that's how to do that. No, wait, hold on. I was wrong. Do not go into bin. So you're gonna do this, Java, and then just select the latest version. Now I use GD key, GRE, whatever. You should normally get this problem, but if you're gonna work with GDK, and GRE, you're gonna have some problems. But yeah, if you ever get that problem, that's how you do it. So that's that. Next up is gonna show you how to make a very basic plugin. It's just gonna be run a command and get a message back on the server. That's gonna be episode 2. If you want to skip that, if you already know how to do that, you can skip to episode 3, where we'll talk about events and more advanced stuff. A little bit more advanced. If you want to skip that too, you can skip to episode 4, where we talk about like dynamic values, where stuff change, or variables where we can make math or stuff like that. If you're interested in that, then feel free to just skip over to that episode. If you already know or are not interested in whatever reason, for episode 1 or episode 2 or 3. So, with that out, thank you so much for watching. If you watched this far, and leave any comments if you want to see anything. If you have any questions, if you want me to go in more depth inside subject, or if there is something that was a bit unclear. I might go through this a bit too fast, I'm not too sure. If you have any problems, then feel free, message below, I will be right on it. So, thank you so much for watching. CGP signing out.